Got us some FOGO Charcoal. That's the bottom of the bag. I got me a new bag sitting at the post office. Got us one of Tiger McCool's fire cups in there. Let's get this baby going. Get this meat ready to grill. We're gonna cook this today with a little bit of live oak. Split us up a few little chunks out back. Make this smell up real good. I'll show you what meat we got coming here in just a minute. All right, we got the grills all ready, heating up. Let's bring that meat out. All right, we got us some beef short ribs, flanken ribs from Wild Forks Food. These are choice Black Angus. Let's get into these and see what they're like. All right, we're gonna rub these down with a little bit of mustard and Worcestershire sauce. Get these opened up. Love Worcestershire sauce on my meat, especially beef. Put this side down. My flip. And a little bit. Little shot of mustard. Rub down. For our spices today, we just going with our SPG, salt, pepper, and garlic. That's it. That's all we're doing. Put all the sides. That's going to be right on now. Look like it. All right, let's get these babies on the grill. All right, got 3 or 4 pieces of oak wood in there. Now remember, folks, when you're working on an open fire like this, make sure you have a water bottle with you, because you're going to need it, just in case you got a flare up. You want to be able to knock it down. Wipe this down with a little bit of oil, keep this from sticking. We're going to get a good char on these. Then we'll raise this grate on up. Get it away from the fire a little bit. Slow them down. Can you hear that? Yes, sir. Man, I love our Park Model Pilot Rock Grill. Yes, sir. Yeah, buddy. Look at there. Talk about stinking up the neighborhood. We'll have to stand out here and guard these things. See there, we're getting a little bit flare up. This is where this water bottle comes in handy. Give it a little shot. Just knock that fire down. Open fire. Keep a bottle of water with you. It'll save you grilling. I believe it's time to give them a flip. Swap you with the one in the front. Good fire kicking up. a little douse of water. Knock it down a bit. There we go. Slow that down some. Ain't them looking pretty? Mm-hmm. Man, it is right on. Alright, we got some really nice color on these. What we're going to do is we're going to put them in this pan right here. And we're going to set these back on the grill. Just like that. We're going to raise this grill on up. Take our lid. Let's thought of something really good. I'm going to take us some dried rosemary I had off my bush. I had to cut it down. Put a little bit of this here on the fire. Make some nice smoke. And we're going to baste this with some Italian salad dressing. Put the lid back on. What do you think? That'd be good for him? Get my flip right there. Do the other side. Let the babies tender up a little bit. Sirree. I think it's going to be good. Right. Look at that. Alright. Put the lid back on this and let them finish up. Drop these down just a little bit. Right there. Alright. We'll be back in just a little. Alright. Pull the lid off these things. Look how the pulled away from that bone like that. Look at that. And that just goes in there just as easy as can be. At 196, 197, 197. I think it's time to eat, boys. I'm telling you what. There's somebody scratching at the door. She's wanting out too. Check the tenderness of these here. See how easy they slice. Look at that. Oh yeah. We say we give this a taste test. Man, them are good. All right, get this plated up. Got us some tater salad, homemade, go with them. It's gonna be an awesome meal. All right, guys. There it is. Some of them Flanken style ribs on the Park Model Pilot Rock Grill. Can't beat it. See y'all on the next video. Y'all have a good one. Got the ribs in. There's a tater salad. There's a plate full of yumminess right there.